To get a loan on Credit Karma, start by creating an account or logging into your existing account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Loans section where you can view various loan options. Credit Karma offers personal loans, credit card loans, and other types of loans from multiple lenders. You can filter the loan options based on your credit score, loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of each loan, including the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms, before applying. To apply for a loan, select the loan you are interested in and click the Apply button. You will be redirected to the lender's website where you can fill out the loan application. The application process typically requires you to provide personal and financial information, such as your income, employment history, and credit score. After submitting your application, the lender will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer. If approved, you can accept the loan offer and the funds will be deposited into your bank account. It is crucial to carefully review the loan agreement before accepting the loan offer. Make sure you understand the repayment terms, including the monthly payment amount, interest rate, and repayment period. Additionally, consider the following best practices when applying for a loan on Credit Karma. First, check your credit score and report to ensure it is accurate and up to date. A good credit score can help you qualify for better loan terms. Second, compare loan offers from multiple lenders to find the best deal. Third, read the fine print and understand the loan terms and conditions before accepting the loan offer. Finally, make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. By following these steps and best practices, you can get a loan on Credit Karma and achieve your financial goals.